Hey, so if you want to track your business revenue, customers, and daily performance, yeah, building a sales tracker in Google Sheets is one of the best ways to stay organized. In this guide, I'll show you how to build a sales tracker in Google Sheets step by step in 2026. First, open Google Sheets and create a blank spreadsheet. Create columns like date, product, quantity, price, total sales, and customer name. Start adding your daily or weekly sales entries into the sheet. Use formulas like quantity multiplied by price to calculate total sales automatically. Use the sum formula to calculate total revenue over time. Group sales by product type or category for better analysis. Filters help you view sales by date, product, or customer easily. Add charts to visualize sales trends and top-selling products. Create a dashboard sheet to track total sales, profit, and performance. Keep updating your tracker daily to maintain accurate business insights. And yeah, that's it. That's how you build a sales tracker in Google Sheets and monitor your business performance in 2026.